So hello students, welcome to the new video of class 8. So in the previous video I have discussed with how to find the basically how to check whether the given is a perfect cube or imperfect cube. So now we'll be finding about the cube roots. Okay, so firstly coming to the basic of these cube roots. So cube root is written with this sign. In this way we'll be writing the cube root. Basically it is known as the third root of y or third root of the number which you are taking. So now here coming to the basics which we have not discussed in the square and square roots as well, but in this we'll be discussing with the basics. So now this sign, this root sign, basically this one is known as radical sign, radical. The number lying in between this radical sign is known as radicand, radicand, and the number written above this radical sign is the degree. So if the degree is 2 here, basically just you are writing in this way. If this you are writing is the square root of y, no number is here, it means the number is 2 here. So basically same, the number written is 3 here, so I will be writing the degree as 3 here, and this one is known as the cube root of a number. Like here we are having cube root of y. So I hope this will be clear. Okay, coming to this, find the cube root of 10648 by prime factorization method here. So the first step, he is saying what? Prime factorization method. You have to do the prime factorization of 10648. So start with 2 only. So 2, 5, 10, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4. Again with 2, 2, 2, 4, 13, 2, 6, 12, 12, 6 and 2. Now with 2. So I told you earlier as well, just remind about the cubes of 11, 13, 17 and 19. So this is the cube of 11. So going with 11 now, 11, 121, 11, 11 and 11, 1. So this is the prime factorization of 10648 here. So can I write it 10648 in this way? 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. So the concept again will be the same. Again you have to make the triplets here. So you are seeing a triplet of 2 will be formed and triplet of 11 will be formed here. So can't I write in this way? If I have to find the cube root of 10648, you will be writing directly here. Okay, whose triplet is this? 2. Just write the 2 here. Whose triplet is this? 11. Just write 11. So 2 into 11 will be 22. So this will be your answer here. So I hope this will be clear. So coming to the next, in the next question we are having here, find the unit digit of cube root of 21952. So he is saying here, when you will be finding the cube root of 21952, what is the units place of this digit? He is asking just about this thing. Find the unit place of the cube root of 21952. So how to solve this thing? For these type of concept, you have to remember the cubes from 1 to 10. So 1 cube will be what? 1. 2 cube will be 8. 3 cube will be 27. 4 cube will be 64. 5 cube will be 125. 6 cube will be 260. 7 cube will be 343. 8 cube will be 512. 9 cube will be 729. 10 cube will be 1000. So these cubes you should have to keep in mind in order to solve these type of questions here. So now just see the unit place of this cube root number. That number is what? 2. Start finding out this 2 in the unit place of the cubes of these numbers. I am again explaining the same thing. Firstly, see the unit place of this cube root number. That is what? 2. Start finding out this 2 in the unit place of all these numbers. That is what? This here. 512. The unit place of 512 is 2. Just see whose cube is this? This is a cube of 8. And this number will be your 8 only. So I will be saying here the unit place of cube root of 21952 is 8. Very simple. So in this way you will be calculating for these type of questions there. So coming to the next question now. So our next question is like in this way. Cube root of minus 605 into minus 275. So in these type of cases there is no need for multiplying these type of numbers. Just do the prime factorization of both of these numbers. So now firstly this negative into negative will become what? Positive. So our first step will be in this way, cube root of 605 into 275. Since negative into negative will be positive and no need for writing that positive sign here. So now start doing the prime factorization of both the numbers. So first is 605 and 275. So start with 5, 121, this is square of 11. So 11 and 11, 1. Starting with this, start with 5 only. So 5, 5, 25 and then again to 5. So then with 5 again, 11 and 11, 1 here. Just write the prime factors here. So how you can write here? This one is cube root only. 605 can be written in 5 into 11 into 11. What about this 275? 5 into 5 into 11. Okay. So now just again start forming the triplets here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The triplet of 5 is formed or not? Triplet means what? Group of 3 equal numbers. So 5 triplet is formed. This you can take out directly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Triplet of 11 is also formed. It can be written directly. That is 11. So 5 into 11 will be what? 55. So in this way you can solve for the value. Coming to the next now. So now next question is like in this way. Find the cube root of 2197 by cube root of 4096. So basically this can be written in this way. Cube root of 2197 divided by cube root of 4096. Now again just you have to find the cube root of the numerator as well as the denominator and you are done with it. So firstly finding for this numerator 2197. Okay, start doing with this 2197. Okay, so this is the cube of the number that I have told you earlier as well. 10 to 20, 11, 13, 17 and 19. I have told you earlier. Just remind about the cubes of that number. So this is the cube of 13. This you will have to remember. Then it will be easy for the calculation. If you will not be remembering, again and again I am saying the same thing. It will be very difficult for the calculation. So I will be saying this cube root of 2197 in this way. 13 into 13 into 13. So the triplet of 13 is formed. The answer will be 13. Okay, coming to the 4096 then. Okay, so coming to 4096, start doing the prime factorization of this 4096. Okay, here. So it will be starting with 2 only. So 224048, then with 2 only 1024, then again 2 5, then I will be saying 1 2, then 2, then it will be 256, then again with 2 1 28, then again 2 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. I hope this one will be the very long prime factorization here, but no confusion will be there. So now in these type of questions, in these type basically it will be very difficult for us to write all these two here again. So now you can do the simple way here. Start forming the triplets here only. Start forming the triplets here. So this one is the first triplet of 2. Just write here 2 only. Multiply. This one is the second triplet of 2. Just write 2 again. Again this one is the triplet. Write this 2. Again this one is the triplet. Write this 2. So this will be easy for you to calculate the things. Here I have written the cube root. Since I have written all the factors here, but I have written here just the triplets only. So there will be no cube root sign here. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 will be 16 here. So I will be saying here cube root of 2197 divided by 4096 will be what? 13 by 16. So I hope this will be clear. Coming to the next question now. Okay, coming to the next question now. Minus 0.343 cube root. Again the cube root of that. Again the cube root. So all we have to add them. So basically, these are three different type of cube roots here. Just solve these three different types of cube root and then add all them. Okay, firstly coming to this one. Firstly, I will be solving this cube root minus 0.343. So basically, I can write this thing in this way. Cube root of minus 343 divided by 1000. Can I write in this way or not? Since if I will be removing this decimal, 3 zeros will be coming downward. I have converted this decimal to the fraction form. Okay, so now how I can write this thing now? Can't I write in this way? Okay, but about this negative sign, I have told you also the cube of a negative number is also a negative here. So cube root of a negative number is also negative. So it means if we are having the negative sign here, just the negative sign will be coming outwards. So I can write in this way. Minus 7 to 7 to 7 divided by what? 1000. Can I write 10 into 10 into 10 here? The triplet of 7 is formed in the numerator and triplet of 10 is formed in the denominator. Just write in this simple way. Minus 7 by 10, or you can simply write minus 0.7. So we have done with the first calculation. Now coming to the second. Cube root of 1.728. So cube root of 1.728 can be written as 1728 by 1000 here. Okay. So cube root of, okay, what about this 1728? So one will be doing the prime factorization of 1728. What will be getting? Start with 2, 2, 8, 16, 12, 6 and 4. 2, 4, 8, 2, 3, 6, 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6. Then with 2 only. So 2, 1, 2, 0, 8. Then 2, 54. 2, 27. 3, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1 here. So we are left with what? Okay, I will be just writing the values now, directly values. So this 1000 can be written in this way, 10 into 10 into 10 only. Okay, what about 1728? Just start forming the triplets again. This one is 2, I have written with this 2. Again 2, I have written this 2. Then with 3. And in the denominator we are left with 10 here. So I have written directly the triplets only here. 2 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, and here we are having 10 triplet. So 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 3 will be 12, 12 divided by 10 will be 1.2 here. 2 into 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 divided by 10 will be 1.2. So I hope cube root of 1.728 will be clear. Okay, now coming to the next 10648 here. Okay, so finding for the cube root of this one 10.648. So it can be written in this way, cube root of 10648 divided by 1000 again. Okay, so now start doing the prime factorization of this one. Okay, start with what? 2. So 2, 5, 10, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8. The next again with 2. Okay, 2, 2, 4, 13, 2, 6, 12, 12, 6 and 2. Then with 2 again. So 1, 3, 3, 1. This is a cube of 11. So let's say 11, 121, 11, 11 and 11, 1. If you want to write here, you can write or you can write directly here. So now this 2 is forming a Pythagorean, is forming a triplet. So 2, this 11 is forming. Can't I write 2 into 11 now? What about this 1000? 1000 is what? 10 into 10 into 10. This was also a triplet. So I can write here directly 10. So 2 into 11 will be 22. 22 divided by 10, 2.2 here. So now substituting all these values here. So our answer will be now cube root of minus 0.343. That is what? Minus 0.7. I have written here minus 0.7. Cube root of 1.728. That is what? 1.2. Just write plus 1.2. Cube root of 10.648. That is what? 2.2. Just written 2a. So on solving, we'll be getting the answer right. So how to solve? So I'll be adding first the numbers. 2.2 plus 1.2. I will be left with what? 3.4 and subtracting 0.7 from this number. So 14 minus 7, 7, and that will be left with 2.7. So answer will be 2.7 in this case. So basically, you are given with the decimal numbers. Your answer should also be decimal numbers. I hope these things will be clear to you now. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we'll be coming to the next method for finding the cube root. Thank you.